You know that tomorrow I'm hustling like there's only one more second left of this hustle.
Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating a closure quick weave. I'm going to paste the link below this video of where I'm showing a fully detailed step-by-step of how you're going to mold the cap down to the client's head. What I'm doing right now is using the Got2b Glued gel and applying a very thin layer, and I'm only going to use one layer. After this, you're going to use the Got2b Glued spray, which is the holding spray. If this was going to be a sew-in, you would only have used the Got2b Glued gel and the Got2b Glued spray in this one area. However, this is going to be a quick weave, so I'm going to use bonding glue to hold the rest of the cap down, and I'll demonstrate it very soon. So stay tuned. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Once your client's head is completely molded down, you're going to cut the remaining pieces of the cap off, and you're going to start with your install. The closure that we're going to be using today is a 5x5 lace closure. You could purchase it on my website at hairbyericaj.com. The color was not done by me, and the color is very different and very unique, and I love it when my clients try new things. Right now I'm plucking, and I'm going to zoom in so I can show you guys something very special. I did not bleach the knots on this closure at all. When you have very, very small knots like so, you don't really have to bleach the knots if you don't want to. You can skip that step. Overall, it gives it a longer lasting closure, and you can reuse this as well. Continue with blending the cap with the client's skin. You never really want to leave the cap nude, white, or ashy how it comes. You're always going to blend the client's skin tone with makeup. Once the makeup is on the client's skin and the cap, you're going to do the same exact thing, but this time it's going to be on the closure. After that is done, you're going to proceed with laying the closure down. The first thing that I like to do is line the closure up with the client's actual hairline. You're never going to put it directly on their hairline. You're always going to come up a little bit further. When you're doing this step, make sure your client helps you. Once you get the lace applied exactly where you want it, your client has to hold each side down for you. Once this is done, you're going to proceed with sewing the closure down. But right now, I'm going to demonstrate with you guys how I get my neat parts. I always use a rat tail comb with the metal end. Right now, I'm zooming in for you guys just to show you how it looks, how the closure still looks natural even though I didn't bleach the knots. Proceed with sewing the closure down. I want you guys to pay attention to my sewing method. I use this same sewing method and this same pattern every time I'm sewing in anything. I always use this same exact lock pattern. After you've got the closure completely sewn down, you're going to proceed with applying the glue to the front of the closure. The glue that I use is Bold Hold. You can purchase it from thehairdiagram.com. In my opinion, this is the best lace glue that I've ever used. It's sweat resistant, it's waterproof, it dries very quickly, and as long as it's applied correctly, you'll be able to reap the benefits that this glue has to offer. I only use 3 coats, and I always use popsicle sticks to smooth the glue out. The glue absolutely has to be in thin layers. I only use 3 layers of glue. Once the glue turns clear, that's how you know it's dried. Once the glue is dry, don't hesitate to apply the next layer, or if you've completed your 3 layers already, don't hesitate to lay the lace down. If you wait too long, the lace will not stick. Once the glue has dried, you're going to proceed with laying the lace down. Once you get the lace laid down, you're going to use the blow dryer on warm and melt the lace in. Proceed with cutting the lace off. You can use scissors or you can use an eyebrow razor, which is what I'm using in this particular video. But I always like to show you guys different techniques in different videos. But whichever is convenient for you, I encourage you to use that. Once the lace is laid down, you're going to use the end of your comb and go to the very front of the lace and take out small pieces of hair. These small pieces of hair are going to be your baby hairs. Once you've gotten them out, you're going to wrap the client's lace down and proceed with the rest of the install. These silk head wraps can be purchased on my website at hairbyericaj.com. The bonding glue that I use and the bonding glue that I recommend is 30 Seconds glue. I don't remember the brand that it's made by, but this gives the longest hold. Once your install is complete, you're going to start to put the finishing touches on. I love to use the hot comb, and I'm old school, so I love to use the old school hot comb that you put on the stove. This gives me the best results. This gives me the most natural results. This gives me a very, very flat lace, whether it's a wig, a closure, or a frontal. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. The next video will be how I complete the overall look. Stay tuned.